Ignorance is a voluntary misfortune and hates knowledge because it is too pure. However, to be conscious of our ignorance is a great step to knowledge. Where does that leave us as human beings? We are better equipped on how to save our planet and its precious resources, but we often turn a blind eye without acknowledging the detrimental consequences. Allow me to inform you that water is one of the most precious resources that we cannot survive without. Believe me when I say water is life. With climate change and evaporation, water pollution and growing population, the availability of fresh water we have is lost faster than it can be replenished through rainfall, and we might not even be aware of any of that change. Let's bring this question local. How can we save water? That's why we have dams. Dams are built to preserve water for rainy days, and for some people and industries, they do actually pay for water, and in this sense, they are aware and will try to save water. However, we can still do more. So I thought, why not reuse and purify grey water? Grey water is basically domestic, untreated wastewater which comes from showers, basins, laundry, doing dishes, and it may look dirty, but if you look at it, it's quite beneficial. This water can be piped out directly into the garden and you can use it to water the plants. Additionally, grey water can be locally treated and be reused. However, this is a community project that requires their involvement. When we're talking about grey water treatment, there are actually 3 processes that are involved in this method. The first one, it is the preliminary process, which includes the physical filtration and isolation of any particles that may be in the water. Secondly, that is the primary process, which involves the addition of chemicals to treat water. And the last one, which is the secondary process, whereby water is biologically treated using microorganisms. Now, the final product, which is called effluent, can be released in the local rivers and or it can further be treated for home usage. The only challenge, or some of the challenges, is the economic challenge, whereby this treatment should be designed and be able to work on a small scale without using the advanced technology, because now this will require more money. Adding and adopting such measures into our daily life can actually help to save water, because water is important and water is life. Thank you very much.